Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the problem. Listen and look. If you see flat waveform peaks, that's clipping. Reduce the input gain now. Check cables and preamps to ensure no hardware is driving levels too hot, and monitor with meters set to dB. Once levels are under control, record a short test pass to verify the waveform restores headroom. Make sure to note where clipping occurred so you can target adjustments in the next step. Now you act on the cause. Reduce gain at the source, not just in software, because input clipping cannot be fully fixed later. Apply a high-pass filter to remove subsonic energy that eats headroom, and add a gentle limiter to tame transient peaks. Set attack fast and release medium so the limiter catches spikes without squashing dynamics. Once configured, run another recorded test and compare waveforms. Continue tweaking gain and threshold until peaks consistently sit below your target range. To finish, repair damaged audio. Use dedicated clip repair tools that reconstruct waveform shapes or manually redraw short clipped areas with interpolation. If restoration leaves artifacts, add subtle harmonic saturation or EQ to mask harshness, and blend repaired regions with crossfades to avoid clicks. Make sure to keep the original file safe as a backup, then audition the whole track in context. If you still hear distortion, revisit input, chain, and hardware. Sometimes the only fix is re-recording with correct levels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.